What do you need to know about ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI tool, artificial intelligence tool that help you in many areas, in many things you want to do. I think ChatGPT is one of the best AI tool ever created. I proceeded in ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT, what do I need to know about you? What do I need to know about you? And ChatGPT proceeded and gave me an answer. Let's just see what ChatGPT will say about itself. This is one of the best AI tools. Whatever you ask, it will give you an answer. Wow, ChatGPT is giving me an answer right now. It says, as a language model, I am a computer program created by OpenAI, designed to generate human-like response to natural language prompts. I have been trained on a vast amount of text data and can understand and generate text in several different languages. Now ChatGPT is explaining itself. On the next paragraph it says, I do not have emotion, belief, or personal experience, as I am just a computer program. I am designed to assist with tasks such as answering questions, generating tests, and providing information on a wide range of topics. In terms of capability, I can perform a variety of tasks, including languages translation, summarization, question answering, and text generation. However, I do have some limitations, and my response may not always be accurate or appropriate, when especially when dealing with highly subjective or context depend on topic. Okay, overall my purpose is to assist you in any way I can I can with your inquiries and provide accurate and helpful information to the best of my ability. As you can see, ChatGPT can do a lot of tasks. It can translate your language. Just space the language and it will translate it for you to the right language. Let's just ask GPT how to drive, a car. Let's just see what will pop up. If it wow, it's typing out. Driving a car can be complex skill to learn, but with practice and guidance, it can become second nature. Here are some general steps to get started. Wow, it's telling me how to drive a car. Number one says familiarize yourself with the car. Of course, you must get familiar with the car. It's typing. Wow. Number two says start the engine. Number three, adjust your mirror. Four, use turn signals. Five, accelerate and brake. Just ask the ChatGPT what you want and it will give you, I believe it gives an accurate answer. I believe that, so although it's a machine, it might do mistake, but I don't know. But since I have using ChatGPT, I've never experienced any mistake. It has been giving me a right answer. The correct link of this ChatGPT will be dropped on my description box, or however you can go to your browser, type in chat, just open ai.com chat. It will give you the right answer to what you are looking for. It will give you the right answer to it. Okay, now ChatGPT is one of the best AI tool which I love so much, and I believe that it will serve you very well. Okay, right on. Maybe you want to learn how to do a graphic design, just ask ChatGPT, it will teach you that. Okay, thank you guys, and then click on subscribe button if you have not subscribed to my channel, and I'll provide for you more information you need to know. This is Net Solution. In this channel I provide solutions about networks, internet browsing, anything about software. That's where I base, that's my niche. Just click on subscribe button, and then I will guide you in many things. Thank you guys, and stay tuned. Like this video if you think it's helpful. I'll also provide a video my next time. I'll provide a video and show you guys how you can do many tasks using this ChatGPT. I'll make a video now. Just go to my description, or just go to my video, my channel, click on subscribe button, go to my channel. You will get many videos. I'll provide a video how you can write a book using ChatGPT, how you can generate a topic using ChatGPT, how you can write a novel, a children novel, or anything at all using ChatGPT and sell them. Okay, I will make a video and show you guys how you can do that, and how you many tasks. I have many tasks to show you. Just click on subscribe button and stay tuned. I'll be updating you guys. Okay, thank you guys, and remember